Hello students, let's take a look at the 3.08 quiz. It's actually an assignment and quiz in one. If you take a look at the submission instructions here or the assignment instructions, you will see an assignment and a quiz in steps 2 and 3. So this is critically important in order for you to do well on the quiz portion of this assessment. So let's start with page 1. We will be working with the topic of parsing string input for the purpose of making calculations. This is a super important skill. All right, so page 1 has a part 1 and a part 2 walking you through, right, taking in input, using strings, and talking about the actual conversion. Okay. We move to page 2. Page 2 references an important EIMAX lab that is over here on the left. So you have to go to the table of contents, Java Basics, and converting between numbers and strings. Okay, and you're going to perform that lab. Okay, here we go. It's not a long lab. It is super important. It's really going to spell out the rationale for what we're doing. And then we have, you're going to bounce back to the regular curriculum, the main curriculum, and start up part 2 right here. We're going to introduce again the actual code because EIMAX is going to introduce the code as well. Then we move on to page 3 where we come to our assignment instructions for the assignment and the quiz. So when we open up the assignment instructions, we notice that we have a program that we're going to have to fix. Okay, we're given age calculator. This is an age calculator, and you're going to figure out what's wrong with it and fix it. So what you want to do, the instructions tell you to open it up and then to create a V2 that you can work on and fix. That way you have the original copy and you have the one that you're working on. They're going to start off identical. Okay, so you open up yourself 2 instances of BlueJ and you have the version 1 and the version 2 side by side and they start off identical. Okay, I rarely get the chance to use BlueJ. This is JCreator that allows me to grade. So here is the age calculator side by side. I have made no adjustments, okay? But version 2 on the right is the one that I will fix. So the first thing you want to do, you can run it. There's nothing wrong with running it. You're going to see the errors, but you should never attack something like this from runtime. The first thing that you want to do is you want to compile, okay? And this is build, but compile is the same thing. And this is where you want to start first. Okay, I double click that and I can see the line. There's something wrong here, okay? So start off here, fix the compilation errors first. And then once you fix all of the simple syntax errors and the things that are stopping it from compiling, then run it. And running will reveal some runtime things that need to be changed. You work out the compiling errors, you work out the runtime errors, probably will only take you about 10 or 15 minutes tops, and then you will have a working age calculator program. Okay, and once this is working, let's see here. Once this is working, you are then ready to go and take the quiz. Okay, 3.08 quiz right here. And you're going to answer the questions in the quiz based on the running, okay, the running version of your age calculator V2. Okay, an easy slam dunk 100 as long as you go through all of the steps.